sorry. I forgot. I forgot to record the class. So sorry for that. Okay. So, Teacher Merle don't like the rain. Hehe likes the rain?
Yeah.
No. Say, I don't like the...
To a pool.
Huh? You want
Pool.
swimming pool?
Yes.
Ah, you like to swim?
Yes.
Yes, I like to swim too. Like this, swim, 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 right? Yes, okay, there. And next, here. Uh-oh, can you circle all the A words? A words, circle it. Mail, drain, snail. Circle. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Are you sure? A sounds only. It's like this. A sounds. A. Mm. Okay. This one is, yeah, this one is correct. This one and this. Okay. But this one, nope. Okay. And cow, no. Horse, no. All right. A sound. That's the A sound, okay? A sound. Winner, winner, win. Okay. Say, I, wow. Okay, very good. Now you know it. Good job. Okay. And this one, oh, can you spell it? Spell, spell, spell. Rain. So if it's AI, not IA. AI. There. Okay. Tail. There. Okay. And sail. Okay. Good, good, good. Oh no. Next. Where is it? Here. Okay. Now can you say this one again for Teacher Merle? Can you read it? What is this? Louder. Huh? Train. Train. Rain.
Train.
Tail.
Train.
Yes, that's drain. Okay. So, train, rain, tail, drain.
Train. Train.
Okay, good, good, good. Next, what about here? Hehe. Say, I can do it.
I can do it.
Say,
Salad.
oh, let's see.
Man.
Wait, 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 wait. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. What is this? Saily?
Tail.
Sail.
Mail.
Very good.
Tail.
Chain.
Tail.
And
Rail.
yes, finally. Okay, good job. Very good. And yes, you're good. You did good. Yeah? Yes, okay. This one. I will tell you something, okay? Hehe. You did a wonderful job tonight. You followed teacher Merle's teacher Merle's instruction. You behaved. You listened. give me correct answers. You are one of the best. Okay, best. Keep it up. Okay, listen now, listen. Huh?
He, tối nay em làm rất tốt. Em đã làm theo hướng dẫn của cô giáo Mel. Em ngoan ngoãn, lắng nghe và trả lời đúng. Em là một trong những học sinh giỏi nhất. Cứ tiếp tục như vậy nhé.
Hey, give me a high five. Good job. This is for you. Very good. Say, I am good.
I am good.
I am great.
I am great.
I can do it.
I can do it.
I can speak English.
I can say English.
I love you. Okay, yes, because you are a good boy, and Teacher Mo will see you again and have a wonderful Sunday evening, okay? Be a good boy, okay? Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you. Very good. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Don't forget A.
A.
Arriving.
Arriving.
Drain.
Train.
Rail.
Rail.
Chain.
Chains.
Okay, bye-bye.